Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today I want to explore how to use the sort function. The sort function in Excel is a powerful tool that organizes the contents of a range or array in ascending or descending order. Using the sorted list, you can quickly generate reports, update dashboards, or conduct further analysis to make data-driven decisions. The sorted output updates dynamically as data changes, which is especially useful in dashboards or models that ingest real-time data. The sort function belongs to the group of dynamic array functions within Excel and sorts the contents of a range or array. The syntax starts by sort, open parentheses. You define the array that should be sorted. You define the sort index, sort order, and by col. And array is the array or range to sort. Sort index is the column or row to sort on. And if you don't put anything there, so if omitted, the default is 1, meaning the first column in the array is sorted. And yeah, for the sort order, this specifies ascending or descending. You can use 1 for ascending order, which is also by default, but you could also use -1 if you want to have a descending order. And last but not least, you have the option to define if you want to sort it by column or by row. By col indicates whether to sort by column. And this is, here you can fill in a logical value that if true, sorts by column instead of by row, but the default is false, meaning it sorts by row, which is in most of cases the correct or the best way of sorting. So in this example, we have, like always, our row ID, order ID, customer, sales, and quantity. And if we now want to get a new table that is sorted by our quantity, so which customer bought the most product, we can use the sort function. We just start by an equal sign followed by sort. We mark the complete table. Our sorting index is now not 1 because we don't want to sort our row ID, but we said we want to sort our quantity. So we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the 5th column. So our sort index is 5. The sort order should be descending. So we want to start with the highest quantity and go down to the lowest. Ascending would mean the opposite around. So you would start by 1 and go up to, in this case, 9. Or if you have letters, then if you have an ascending order, you would start with A, and for descending, you would start with Z. Okay, so we want to have a descending order, and we want to sort by row, as always. So we say false, we close the parentheses, and we hit enter. What we get now is our array, but sorted with taking the quantity into account. So the highest quantity on top, because we have descending order, which is 9, as you can see there, and the lowest quantity, which is 1, which we have in row ID 4. And the row ID, the order ID, the customer, and the sales, of course, accordingly changes to our sorted list. And we could now use this list for further analysis. We could just send this list to our boss. Maybe he wants to see which of our customers has or ordered the highest quantity. And now he would see, okay, Google ordered 9, Google ordered the highest quantity. And maybe that's all he wants to know, or maybe he wants to have the top 3. So he would see Google, Amazon, and Google. So Google in general seems to order a lot of stuff. And yeah, this is basically how the sort function works. Typically, the sort function would be integrated in more complex functions to sort the result of a function directly. But you could also just use the sort function like we did it here. Mark an array and then sort the array by a defined column. Yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you like it, I would appreciate a thumbs up and see you in the next video.